In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add newsletter form in Google Sites. If you're building a site and want an easy way to collect signups, adding a newsletter form is a simple and effective solution. We'll walk through placing a Google form right on your page so visitors can join your mailing list without leaving your site. First, open Google Sites and head to the page you want to edit. Make sure you're in editing mode so you can make changes to the layout and content. If you have multiple pages, navigate to the exact section where you'd like the form to appear. It helps to decide this ahead of time so your form integrates naturally with your content, such as in a footer section or a dedicated subscribe page. On the right side panel, click the Insert tab. This panel is your toolbox for adding content like text, images, and embedded items. We'll focus on forms, which let you embed a Google form directly on the page. Select Forms. A picker will open, showing the Google Forms you already have. If you've previously created a sign-up form, you can choose it here. If not, you can create a new one specifically for newsletter sign-ups. When setting up a new form, keep it short and friendly. Typically, a name field and an email address are enough. Consider enabling email collection and adding a brief note on what subscribers can expect, like frequency and content type, to build trust and set expectations. You can also customize the form's theme and confirmation message so it matches your site's tone. Once you've selected or created the form, click Insert to add it to the page. The form will appear as an embedded block that you can move and resize. Drag it into the best spot on your layout and use the handles to adjust the width so it looks balanced on desktop and mobile. Keep plenty of space around it and add a concise heading or subheading above if you want to clarify its purpose, like "Join our newsletter for updates." After placing it, take a quick preview to see how it looks across screen sizes and ensure the Submit button is clearly visible and easy to tap. That's all there is to it. You've embedded a newsletter form in Google Sites, making it easy for visitors to sign up right where they are. Keep the form simple, make the placement obvious, and your signups should follow. Thanks for watching and happy building.